Take and bake sourdough bread. This was actually a request from one of our viewers, Aunt Sherry. Okay, let's show you what's inside. You will get 3 packs, and it also has an oxygen absorber in here. And you'll know on your box that it will have an expiration date. We bought this probably the beginning of June, actually. And the expiration date isn't until November. So, and this is the reason being, it's packed like this. We're gonna make one today. You wanna preheat your oven to 425. It says either use a baking sheet or tin foil. Bakes for 12 to 15 minutes. So let's open this up. It's hard, and it's been sitting in here for who knows how long. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in. And we'll see you back soon. Here we go. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but hey.
I'd say it's supposed to look like that. Yeah, nice crusty on top.
Okay, why don't you cut it?
You want me to cut it?
Yeah, you can cut it.
That's warm. Wonder why. Could be I just pulled it out. Okay, so you can see that is, it is tough on the outside for sure.
Now, Aunt Sherry said to...
that's hot. Here, I'll have the end. Here, there you go.
Aunt Sherry said to put butter and jam on it. I like sourdough bread.
I love
guess you gotta like sourdough bread.
I love sourdough bread. Tastes good.
Tastes great.
I like it. Tastes like sourdough bread. I love the fact that you can have that, you can buy it, and it doesn't go bad. You can sit, and then when you're ready for it, heat it up. Yeah. Was that 16 minutes? You see that? 879. So there you go. See that? Isn't sourdough bread better for you too?
I can't open that.
I heard like if you have gluten intolerances, sometimes sourdough bread doesn't get you upset. You can comment that below and let us know. That's great. You gotta like the jam, right? So whatever you put on, make sure you like, but I just love it with butter. Like it. So what'd you give that?
Thumbs up. Good job, Aunt Sherry. This was delicious.
The Essential Baking Company. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
I like the whole idea behind it. I love that you can have it, you can bake it, comes out, you got nice bread. I love the whole idea.
I was thinking I was gonna give those other 2 loaves away, but I'm gonna keep them.
Yeah.
That's good. Good stuff. Okay, well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.